Printify is making you lose thousands of dollars every single day, and here's why. The margins are razor thin. For example, a t-shirt costs you $10 from Printify and shipping adds another $4. That's $14 in total. Now, if you want at least 40% margin, which is a kind of a bare minimum once you factor in marketing, discounts, payment fee, you would need to sell that t-shirt for around $24. And that's assuming people are okay with paying $24 for a basic tee, which they aren't often. Then forget Printify. The real alternative is WordPress. Let me quickly explain why, and then I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up step by step. 1. You own it all. The domain, the hosting, how your products are displayed. You decide what the customer sees and how they experience your brand. Number 2, you can customize the experience however you want. Want a customer to upload their own image? Type in a name for engraving. You can do all of that and make it look great with the right tools. WooCommerce alone doesn't support the kind of customization you need for a proper print-on-demand business, but this plugin fills the gap. I know it's a paid plugin, but they offer a lifetime deal, which is honestly cheaper in the long run than giving up your profits to Printify forever. Let's get started. First, we need to install the plugin. Just head to the link in the description. It will take you to the Barn2 website. You can choose any plan that you like, but make sure it includes the live preview feature since we'll be using that later. Once you've made the purchase, go back to your WordPress dashboard, upload the plugin files, and activate them using your license key. At this point, I already have a basic store set up using the Astra theme and a few sample products. Make sure you've got something similar in place before moving on. Also, I strongly recommend taking a quick backup of your site before making any changes. Once all of that is ready and with the plugin installed, it's time to create our first set of product options. Start by clicking the Create Product Options button inside the plugin dashboard. Click Add Group to create a new set of options. You'll be asked to name the group and decide where it should appear, either on all products or specific ones. For this walkthrough, we'll apply it to a single product. Once your group is created, you can begin adding options. The plugin offers a huge variety from checkboxes and drop-downs to color switches, image selections, and file uploads. Let's start by adding a file upload field. Give it a name, enable live preview, and then choose how you want to charge for it. Either a flat fee or a percentage-based add-on. There's even a built-in calculator that adjusts the pricing automatically based on the base product cost. Under advanced settings, you can control things like the maximum file size to avoid putting a lot of load on your server. You can also restrict the file types, for example, only allow JPGs and PNGs, and block larger formats like PSDs. Once done, click Save. Next, let's add a text input field. Again, give it a label, turn on Live Preview, and configure any extra settings you need. Click Save when you're ready. Now go ahead and refresh your product page. You should see the new fields right on the product, allowing customers to upload an image or type in text before adding to cart. To make this experience even more interactive, we'll use the live preview feature to show customers how their customizations will actually look on the product. Start by going into your media library and selecting the product image you want to use as the preview base. Scroll down and you'll find an option that says Set Printable Areas. Click it to open the editor. Here you can define the part of the image that will show the uploaded file or custom text. There are 3 shape options: square, circle, or rectangle. Pick one that fits your product and drag it into place. Resize and position it exactly where you want the customization to appear. Next, configure the settings for that area. You can choose whether users can upload multiple images, if the image should be locked in place, or whether it can be moved or resized after upload. Then link this area to the correct field. In this case, the file upload we set up earlier. Click Apply to save. And if you want to add more customization zones, no problem. Just repeat the process and create a new area. This time, link it to the text input option we added earlier. Once everything is linked and saved, refresh your product page again. You will now see that the uploaded image and the custom text both appear live on the product mockup, giving customers a clear visual of what they're about to order. With this setup, you now have a fully functional, interactive print-on-demand product page complete with image uploads, custom text, and live previews. You'll also need a way to handle orders, whether you're printing and shipping products yourself or working with a company in the background. Just make sure the process is set up before you start taking orders. And with that done, your print-on-demand site is live, fully customizable, and 100% owned by you. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.